I think for me, most things are engineering problems, and then you break them down to a core set of problems or deliverables. And once when you do that, an organization is just a subset of a bunch of systems. And so finding folks that are experts at solving all those systems becomes key. And so you find folks that are incredibly passionate around how do I do product marketing, or how do I solve this really tough, comp geo problem for doing analysis on models, all the way to how do I provide the best customer experience in the world. And so when you break down to these are core things the business needs to be great at, then you can find people that want to be great at that or are great at that and that are passionate about it. And so I think that that's how you start to assemble these building blocks that builds an organization that's really unique. We don't look like a contract manufacturer. I also don't look like a classic Silicon Valley business or startup. It's really something that I think is very unique as you start breaking these core problem sets down and finding amazing people that want to tackle each of those.